Hello kids, let's learn ABC with so much fun. Let's start. A for apple. Apple is red and juicy. B for ball. Ball is round and bouncy. C for cat. Cat says meow, meow. D for dog. Dog loves to wag its tail. Ha ha ha. E for elephant. Elephant is big and strong. F for fish. Fish swim in the water. G for goat. Goat climb hills and says meh. H for hen. Hen lays eggs and says cock cock. I for ice. Ice is cold and melt fast. J for jug. Jug is full of water. K for kite. Kite flies in the sky. L for lion. Lion is the king of jungle. M for monkey. Monkey jumps and loves banana. N for nest. Nest is where birds live. O for orange. Orange is round and tasty. P for parrot. Parrot can talk and fly. Q for quiet. Quiet means no talking at all. R for rabbit. Rabbit hops and runs fast. S for sunflower. Sunflower is big and yellow. T for tree. Tree gives us oxygen and so much fruits. U for umbrella. Umbrella keeps us dry in rain. V for van. Van takes us on a ride. W for watch. Watch tells us the time. X for xylophone. Xylophone makes music sound. Y for yak. Yak has long hair and horns. Z for zebra. Zebra has black and white strips. You did it. Now let's sing from A to Z. ABC all the way to Z. Thanks for watching.